Hello friends, today we will discuss the types of mixed method research, which involves combining qualitative and quantitative approaches to gather, analyze, and interpret data. The integration of qualitative and quantitative methods allow researchers to better understand complex phenomena by drawing on the strengths of both methodologies. So, some of the types of mixed method research are discussed below. First design of mixed method research is convergent parallel design. Both qualitative and quantitative data are collected simultaneously in such type of research and analyzed separately and then compared or combined for a comprehensive understanding. We can understand with an example a study on patient satisfaction with telemedicine service collects quantitative data through surveys, that is numerical ratings, and qualitative data via interviews, detailed personal experiences. Interview. The results are analyzed independently, then merged to identify the pattern. Second is explanatory sequential design. Quantitative data is collected and analyzed first, then qualitative data are collected to explain or elaborate on the quantitative findings. For example, a study finds through a survey that 70% of employees are disengaged at work. Researchers then conduct focus group to explore why employees feel disengaged and what specific factors contribute to this trend. Third is exploratory sequential design. Here, qualitative data is collected and analyzed first to explore a phenomenon, followed by a quantitative data to test or measure insights derived from the qualitative phase. For example, researchers interview parents to identify challenges in managing children's screen time. Based on these findings, they develop and distribute a survey to measure the prevalence of these challenges across a larger population. Fourth is embedded design. One type of data, either qualitative or quantitative, plays a supportive role and is embedded within the primary method. For example, a clinical trial tests the efficacy of a new drug, that is quantitative, while including patients' interview, that is qualitative, to understand their experience with side effects. This transformative design. The study is guided by a specific theoretical framework, for example, social justice, and uses mixed methods to address issues of inequality or marginalization. It can be understood with an example. A study examines access to education for marginalized communities by analyzing enrollment rates, that is quantitative, and conducting ethnographic interviews with families and teachers. It will be qualitative. Sixth is multi-phase design. Here, multiple mixed method studies are conducted over time with the result of one phase informing subsequent phases. For example, a long-term project on community health involves initial interviews to identify health priorities, followed by surveys to assess the prevalence of these issues, and subsequent interventions evaluated through a mix of focus group and statistical analysis. Each design is selected based on the research question, objectives, and extent to which qualitative and quantitative data are used.